Yardman style outdoor cooking in the US. All of them youth are from Epsom. Alright, Sunrise Boss, Drizzy Burke, Soy, Spearfish in Jamaica. So we got a little old grill here and we just retrofit it. Just we need some wood. Some over there, so. I'm gonna pick them up so I can make a wood fire. Cause we gotta cook outdoors today. Cause they are putting in the backsplash in the kitchen and we can't cook in the kitchen, so I'm gonna have to cook outside today. Alright, this should be fun. Should be an epic video, guys. Should be fun, alright? Bless, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, alright? Let's. My man George, take attention to details. I'm telling you, man. Guys, I recommend Seiko and George any day, all day. Like an artist. Should be more than enough. Oh, it's an oak tree. Alright, see. So over there. Now we're gonna put on the gloves and pull it over. Let's put on our gloves. Right here in the backyard. Yeah. Okay, cool.
Hey, boss.
I say cool. Bless. Best contractor in town, you know, boss. So, clean up the chicken quick. Outdoor cooking. The birds chirping. Chop up some chicken. We can brown stew it. Okay, thanks. Ready to mix up now. Come on. See how pretty it look? Yeah. Ready to brown stew now. And I like the underbrush ones then.
Dad, can I try?
Okay. It's a deer doing it. There you go.
Burn yourself. Gotta put my air pocket down, guys. Look how pretty it is. Okay. Before we continue with the video, I need to ask y'all a question. What's y'all's favorite color? I'm just kidding. Put your answer in the comments. Okay, but riddle time. Oh, how many months have 28 days? Put your answers in the comments. Please and thank you.
Let's see. Need here for this bad boy. Let's get this joint out.
Need hair. Yeah, hair. Okay. Daddy, I'm gonna drop the hair in. This is hair that's already...
Don't burn your hair. It's whatever crazy. That's
How?
a Jamaican superstition.
Don't people usually blow on fires to let them go out?
Oxygen pad.
But this is
Oxygen.
carbon dioxide, not oxygen, because we breathe out oxygen. I mean carbon dioxide. Because oxygen goes in, it then comes out as carbon dioxide. There's science in that. Yeah. But there's no science in superstitions. Well, Daddy, I already burned a piece of my hair in there. A piece of dead hair in there. So you saying I'll go crazy now? But it's
Belief
not.
kills unbelief cure.
Was there any experiments?
I don't know.
Ooh, the fire wrong way. Ooh, the fire caught.
Put some soap on it. Huh? And some of this dirt.
Eh? Why?
Yeah, that is to protect the outside from getting too black and we can't wash it off. Okay?
Okay.
Fire ready.
So pretty.
So, pot is ready. Throw some oil in. Yeah. It's a coconut oil. We're gonna get our chicken and throw it next. Coconut oil, you gotta be careful, it burns. Can catch a fire. This is wood fire, so it gets hot really quick. So, put the chicken here. A little test. It's not ready yet. You want to hear that sizzle when you put it in, you see what I mean? It's a whole fashioned brown stew, you see what I mean? Don't have no brown. Hear that sizzle? Yeah. Yeah, when you're in the bushes cooking, so you wash your hands. Need some more fire underneath there. You want a quick burning wood? You wood that burn out quick and your wood that is slow burn. A mixture of both. So you get an even fire. Throw some of these slow burners right here. Back on. And cut these up just like that. I'm going to throw this into the chicken now. Get a couple of these carrots. These are pre-washed, but guess what? Even when things are pre-washed, we still wash them. Alright, chicken starting to look good. Pretty and brown. Yeah. So we Jamaicans and Caribbean folks love our chicken brown. As I said, they're working on the kitchen in there. They're putting some new backsplash so we can't cook inside. So I said, hey, I haven't cooked outside in a long time. You see what I mean? It's been such a long time since I've cooked outside. Last time I cooked outside was when I was in Jamaica. Because this was a summer thing, man. Me, Chris, Kush, all of them youth are from Epsom, Ewan, Sean. Me whole heap of cook outside cooking every summer. We'll be cooking some chicken, ackee and saltfish, ackee and chicken back, rice and peas. I'm just back to my roots, you see what I mean? From outside cooking, smoke in your eyes. Woo. Look like I've been smoking something, but no, I haven't been smoking. It's just the smoke from the fire. Oh, yeah. What? Fire burn, fire burn. Early don't turn. Don't try this at home, peeps. Alright. And get some onions and some tomato and some stuff in that now. Alright. Throw all of them vegetables in. So I mean, outdoor cooking style. More cook down. Nice. See that? Delicious. Let's get some more seasoning in it. And we're good to go. It's almost ready. Just let it go and simmer down. Let the fire on the pot, as Sunrise Boss would say, let the fire on the pot do the work. Right, boss? You hear that bubble? That's a fire on the pot doing its work. Alright. Oh yeah. Mittens, but I can't find them, so I'm gonna have to improvise here. You see what I mean? When you're in the wild, you improvise. Trying to take this bad boy off, improvise. You see what I mean? It's like, no, don't have time right now. The rain is coming. And we need to get cooked. We need to finish cooking so we can get out of the rain. Say don't try this at home, hot. So we're ready for come off. A couple more minutes and we're ready for come off. So I mean, chicken falling off of the bone, good. Woo. Try this, I'll see. Okay. Delicious. So nutritious. Food ready and now. And that. Let's share this John. Right out the fire, guys. Who's ready for some stewed chicken? Woo. Look at that. Because the rain was coming, I didn't get to make any rice or anything. So be careful, bud.
Careful.
Here. Here. You want the extra plate?
Okay.
Didn't get to make any rice or any dumpling or anything, so we're gonna eat this stewed chicken with some bread. Wish I had some hard dough bread though, oh my gosh. Here. Oh, this is hot.
And I'm not the person that's holding metal like it's nothing.
One. Take this one.
I'll
off,
knock
please.
it over.
And bring me 2 extra plates, please. Let's move this off the fire. Please don't try that at home, okay? Don't try that at home. That's them rough Nakalva hands, you see what I mean? From chopping with machete. Them farmer hands. I'm a boy from Nakalva, they know that.
You just take this front upstairs and
Thing
eat
looks
it.
so good, so delicious. Brown stewed chicken.
That is my alarm.
How many more plates we need, Bev? One more?
We have 6, right?
We have 7 people.
I don't eat chicken.
That's 6 you brought up already?
Yeah, those are the 6.
And we still have, look, we still, man, she had 6 people food and we still have more food here. Oh, that is good, people. Nothing like cooking over wood stove. Gas, even coal is good. But wood stove, oh man, I can taste that oak maple wood in the meat. Alright, peeps, just remember, share, like, comment. Boom, one time. In the that juicy burger. Bless. Irie. Don't have no rice, no food, no dumpling, no yam, no banana with it today. Just straight stewed chicken and man, I wish I had some hard-dough, real Jamaican hard-dough bread. But what I got is some honey wheat bread. But we're gonna make it work, you see what I mean? Because that's how we do it when we're in the wild. Or the wild of my backyard anyway. Piece of chicken between piece of bread here. People, I wish I could taste this. It's bad. As Cold Smith TV say, Isa, take your time. Now when you go wicked. Reaction time, babe. How is it? How's it, babe?
It's fine, Marky.
Ringing endorsement. Because you cannot wash in the kitchen because they put up the box letter, you can't do nothing in the kitchen. Everything has to be done outdoor, including the washing. people, the things so good, all the bone them mature. Look at it. Alright fam, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the video. The video them I got shot.